Proven 10 lead generation strategies for startups with AI. AnyBiz. Lead generation is crucial for startups to survive and grow by ensuring a continuous flow of potential customers, which is vital for testing business models and attracting funding in the competitive market landscape. Startups employ cutting-edge digital marketing tools and strategies such as social media, SEO, and content marketing to establish a customer base and initiate crucial early sales essential for scaling and gaining investment. AI plays a pivotal role in overcoming these challenges by automating tasks, enhancing cost efficiency, and using predictive analytics and AI-driven tools to improve marketing strategies and customer engagement. Choosing the right channels where your target audience is most active, including social media, email, or search engines, is crucial for distributing your marketing efforts effectively. 1. Content marketing is a proven effective strategy for startups, using valuable content to attract and engage leads, with AI enhancing content relevancy and search engine optimization for better reach. 2. SEO and organic search are cost-effective strategies for increasing online visibility without the expense of ads, with AI tools helping to refine strategies and improve content ranking. 3. Social media engagement allows startups to interact directly with potential customers, with AI analyzing data to optimize content delivery and scheduling, enhancing engagement and conversion rates. 4. Webinars and live events provide a platform for startups to showcase their expertise and engage with an interested audience in real time, with AI enhancing engagement and analytics to maximize lead capture opportunities. 5. Email marketing is a powerful lead generation tool for startups, offering a high ROI of $42 per dollar spent. Automation tools enable timely, personalized emails, while AI enhances segmentation, predicts optimal send times, and provides hyper-personalization, boosting open and click-through rates. 6. Referral programs leverage satisfied customers to generate new leads, offering rewards for referrals and building on existing trust. They are highly effective, with 92% of consumers trusting recommendations from friends or family. AI enhances these programs by identifying top brand ambassadors, managing rewards, and providing analytics for continuous improvement. 7. Strategic partnerships are crucial for data-driven startups to access new markets cost-effectively. Collaborating with complementary companies increases visibility and scalability, especially when partnering with reputable industry leaders. AI enhances these efforts by identifying ideal partners, predicting market reactions, selecting appropriate audiences, and monitoring partnership success. 8. Landing pages and lead magnets are powerful tools for converting visitors into leads. Landing pages focus on driving a specific action, such as signing up for a newsletter, while lead magnets offer free resources like ebooks or trials in exchange for contact details. This targeted approach effectively eliminates distractions and leads users towards conversion. 9. Continuous optimization through testing is crucial for startups to improve lead generation. Regular A/B testing of ad copy, email templates, and landing pages identifies top-performing strategies, boosting conversions by up to 50%. AI enhances this process by running multiple tests simultaneously, analyzing real-time results, and predicting outcomes, enabling rapid strategy refinement and maintaining a competitive edge. 10. Creating compelling offers like discounts and extended free trials is essential for startups to attract and convert prospects. These offers provide immediate value, making your startup more appealing compared to competitors. Data shows that high-quality incentives lead to higher conversion rates, and limited-time deals create urgency. AI can personalize these offers based on customer history and preferences, further optimizing conversion strategies. AnyBiz's AI-driven capabilities are tailored for startups grappling with lead generation challenges, offering efficient and effective solutions. It seamlessly integrates with all marketing touchpoints, leveraging personalized, multi-channel tactics based on user activity and interests. This ensures timely and relevant messaging without extensive human resources. AnyBiz streamlines lead generation for startups by automating tasks, enhancing lead management, offering scalability, providing data-driven insights, and enabling multi-channel engagement. It's a cost-effective solution that saves on hiring and training expenses while boosting marketing effectiveness. In summary, we've highlighted effective lead generation strategies for budding startups. These strategies aim to help startups break into competitive industries and build a strong customer base. Now is the time for startups to leverage both traditional and AI-based methods. Before you click away, a small favor. Like and subscribe to stay updated on our upcoming content. Your support keeps us going.